Could AMD's forthcoming Zen 6 Morpheus architecture be the breakthrough that propels desktop processors to unprecedented heights? Let's talk. Today, we're exploring AMD's upcoming Zen 6 Morpheus architecture, which is set to succeed the Zen 5 architecture. While AMD remains tight-lipped on the specifics, the available information suggests that Zen 6 is shaping up to be a significant leap forward. Until the official details emerge, let's take a sharp, informed look at what this next-generation architecture might bring to the table. Zen 6 isn't just an upgrade, it will be a calculated leap forward. With configurations rumored to scale up to 32 cores per CCD, it appears AMD is pushing multi-core performance into new territory. Their upcoming desktop processors could see up to 24 cores and 48 threads, a 50% increase that promises substantial gains in rendering, editing, and gaming. Meanwhile, in server environments, this expanded core density caters to the ever-growing need for efficient parallel processing, ensuring smoother data-intensive workloads. Zen 6 isn't just boosting performance, it will offer extra cache. Reports point to a 50% increase in L3 cache per CCD, an increase from 32 megabytes to 48 megabytes. AMD is making a clear statement that faster data access is the key to better efficiency. For gamers, this means lower latency, higher frame rates, and a smoother overall experience. While for professionals, applications that thrive on rapid data retrieval like video editing and 3D rendering will gain significant speed boosts. AMD is doubling down on platform longevity by keeping Zen 6 fully compatible with the existing AM5 socket. It means no motherboard swap is required. This forward-thinking move ensures a seamless, cost-effective upgrade path for users looking to boost performance without the hassle of a full system overhaul. Since its debut in 2022, AM5 has delivered cutting-edge features like DDR5 and PCIe 5.0. And with Zen 6 staying in the family, AMD is proving its commitment to long-term support and adaptability. So it's a win for consumers and a clear signal that AMD values stability just as much as innovation. AMD's upcoming Zen 6-based Medusa Point APUs will be a game-changer for integrated graphics. Instead of jumping to RDNA 4 or 5, AMD is refining RDNA 3.x. They prefer to optimize performance and efficiency within a proven framework. Under the hood, Medusa Point is expected to pack a single Zen 6 CCD with 12 cores and 24 threads, alongside an integrated GPU boasting 16 to 32 compute units on a 256-bit memory bus. If the rumors hold, this could push integrated graphics performance into territory once reserved for discrete GPUs like the RTX 4060. By skipping RDNA 4, Zen 6 integrated graphics will miss out on some next-gen features like improved ray tracing and FSR 4. However, the trade-off appears to favor raw performance gains. This could redefine what's possible with integrated graphics. As we count down to the official reveal of AMD's Zen 6, we could say that expectations in core counts, cache sizes, platform compatibility, and powerful iGPU may hint at a major leap in performance. Stay locked in for the latest updates on Zen 6 and other cutting-edge tech, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next.